Welcome back to the channel. D2 here with another PixInsight quick tutorial. I would think this is a rare topic. I don't know if I've seen this online, but I've discovered it probably a year ago. When learning a lot of PixInsight processes and workflows, like many of us, we have a video open of one of our favorite YouTubers showing how to do different things. Often we're switching back and forth between PixInsight and watching the video and looking at color between the two. That's fine, but what happens is we end up switching windows and that overlaps our PixInsight screen. So sometimes I'll toggle between full screen and having a video going and toggle back to PixInsight, or maybe I'll have it minimized and I hit play over here and my keyboard play button to toggle it on and off. That's one way you could do it, but there's another way you could do this. So inside of PixInsight itself, there's a web browser. If you go to Window web browser, you can open a web browser here. Now it's not a sophisticated web browser. It doesn't search the web when you type it, so you need to know where you're going. So let's say I grabbed a URL from my other web browser and put it in here. It'll take me to the same place. I could play videos from here. This sits on top of everything on PixInsight, but it doesn't go away when you're in the background. So if I open up an image and I'm working on it, I can watch the video, hit play, pause with my keyboard if there's a shortcut, or right here on screen. I don't have to switch the windows, and I can pull this up right to it and compare it if I'm looking at color. So very useful way to do it. The downsides to it are obviously the window is always on top. So if you're moving your windows behind it, it's going to cover them up. You can maximize it inside here, minimize it back down, shrink it, all that type of stuff. If you minimize it here, it apparently goes away. Like, how in the world do I get back to it? Now, the way you get back to it is go back into web browser windows, and you'll see it here. So let's open up that, and you can have multiple open. So you'll notice I have another one open. This is one of my other videos. And say I'm looking at an image here, and my screen right now is really reduced. I have a much bigger monitor than what is being shown here. It's reduced for this recording of YouTube. So I usually have a lot of real estate, and I like to keep my PixInsight open. So I could have process buttons above it or to the side of it pulled over. I could have multiple windows open for browsers if I wanted to. You can minimize these, go back to processing. If you need your entire workspace, go into the web browser, grab the one you want. So that's the main thing I wanted to show in this video. Hope everyone finds it useful. If you like what you see here on my channel, please subscribe. Watch some of my other videos. Appreciate everyone. Clear skies. Take care.